above the sleepy trees, whispered secrets to the breeze. He peeked at a river silver blue and watched the flowers drink their dew. He played hide and seek with the moon, hummed a gentle glowing tune. Birds nearby began to sing, welcoming the morning spring. Time to go, he saw